Yo, what up, tribe? It's your boy C's from thec'slife.com. Yo, episode 82. I've always, this is like the third time of me going through this challenge. And every time I get to the 80s, there's something about the 80s, man. And I have like a relationship with the timeline of these videos. And what I mean by that is within like the 28th episode in a series, I like have these aha moments, right? In the 70s, I'm kind of getting a little frustrated. The 80s are just me just happy, and I don't quite know how it all gonna stack up in the long haul. I'm just sharing with you the stories from the path, man. Like, I just woke up and said to myself, if you could imagine it, you can create it. And prior to season 1, that's exactly the same thought I had. I just couldn't put it into words. I'm like, there's something about this that I'm going to fall in love with and continue to do as long as I can possibly do it. And I just jumped in. I was like, it's the time. The time is now. So for you guys out there that's on the fence or just debating, I would say just throw your hat over the fence and don't ever look back, because it'll bring you so much joy and peace along the path. So much joy and peace, man. I have this active imagination again, where I could just constantly just imagine the possibilities of traveling the world. And my wife and I just had an opportunity to go to China in July. So literally we're going to be flying across the world and staying in Shanghai for 2 weeks. And we have like this awesome cross-country tour that we're gonna go on with some friends in the summer as well. So these are like the little magical things that I had no idea how to do it, and we're doing it, So just go for it. Start creating. Your imagination is gonna just run wild, and your spirit is gonna guide you, man. Like, there's an invisible power that's going to guide you along the way. And if you're like, I'm in your shoes, man. I know it, because I was you. And I just took the leap of faith, man. Suspended disbelief and just went for it. And now your boy is always wanted to be a travel vlogger. It's happening. I'm gonna be able to travel and vlog. Wanted to create an online fitness business. I did it. Although it's in its infancy stages, I'm still working on ways to scale it, and that's an amazing journey of itself. Get to spend so much time with my son. Career is healthy, family is healthy, everything is just going so well, man. And just having gratitude for each and every day that I have the opportunity to chase my dream. And I realize, like, as you're going, you just give back, and these are a way of me giving back, just having a conversation with you guys and just sharing stories from the journey, man. Because first 10 episodes, you're gonna be like, what the fuck am I doing, And you don't even have to make it episodic like me. Just go on your journey and find success and help people along the way, because, as you're climbing, there are going to be people that were in your shoes and they're going to need some guidance. And me being a few hundred videos in, I'm like, shit. Like, this is about to be a year. Season 4 is going to make it a full year of me doing these vlogs, which is going to be amazing. Season 4 is going to be awesome. And I just can't wait. But got to finish this chapter, right? I still got a few more videos to go, and then revisit like my goals for season 3. I have them written down and check off the ones that I accomplished, and then work towards the one that I haven't. So still got a few episodes left to see if mythical forces will come through and, you know, right that ship for me. But, you know, if that does happen, of course I'm gonna share it here. Anyway, it is Sunday, Easter. Happy Easter, although you're gonna see this episode obviously not on Easter. But yeah, happy Easter, and yeah, holla at your boy. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, let me know what's your biggest struggles along your path. I'm here to share mine. All right, let's help each other out. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla back. Peace.